I wanted to show you guys my gorgeous tree of birds. I keep this up all year round, but I have it on the other table. This was here just for Christmas on this table here. And wow, it is just so beautiful. Look how the sun is coming in and just shining on everything. A lot of these birds are on my Christmas tree, like the aqua one, this one here, that one, it's a pretty cardinal, this one here with the teal and the pink, and then these feathery ones up there were on my Christmas tree, and the pretty butterfly. And they're just amazing. And I have other birds on this side too. There's the hummingbird there, teal with teal with lime green. Love this one. It's a rose gold bird. It's so pretty. And that's the gold one, gold color with the feather. There's a sparkly one. There's a silver one. Love the cardinals. And the white doves. Another white dove. More birds there. A purple one there. A peacock I have up there. This I made. It's vintage. Back in the 80s when I was a little girl. I made that little sparrow on it's on a pine cone. Then I have some prisms here. Purple. And I plan on keeping my beautiful nativity up until at least the middle of February. I took down my Christmas tree, of course. That's took that down a while ago. But the nativity just looks so beautiful with the sun shining on it. You can really see everything now in the daytime. That's vintage. That's an antique shoe that belonged to my grandma. And my cute dolls. Angel one, a couple angels. The candle holders. And the candles are vintage, antique. Glass. Anyways, thanks for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe and don't forget to share. I just love this. It's so pretty. And hope you've enjoyed.